Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to your maths class. Students, we are going to continue chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Today in this class, we are going to solve two questions, question 1 and question 2 of exercise 2.4. Question number 1 is, Amina thinks of a number and subtracts 5 by 2 from it. She multiplies the result by 8. The result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. What is the number? Students, here we have a very interesting situation. We are given one condition and we have to calculate the missing number. You see that Amina thinks of a number. Here the number is missing. So first of all, we will assume the number to be x. Let the number be x. Now what she does after that? She subtracts 5 by 2 from it. 5 by 2 has to be subtracted from x. Further on, she multiplies the result by 8. So what result she multiplies by 8? The result of subtraction has to be multiplied by 8. After subtraction, the result that she gets after subtraction and after multiplication, the final result, the final answer that she receives is equal to 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times the same number means, here what is the meaning of same number? Same number is what you assumed, what she thought of. So 3 times the same number. 3 times the same number means 3x. What is the number? They are asking us to calculate the number she thought of. So students, let's see how we can solve this, how we can frame a linear equation for this given condition, for this given situation. Let's see how we can calculate the missing number. Here I have written the linear equation in one variable for the given situation. Now you see that I have assumed the number to be x, and according to the question what they were saying, that 5 by 2 has to be subtracted from the number she thought of. So the number she thought of is x. After subtraction, the result which we receive has to be multiplied by 8. So I have written 8 outside the expression of subtraction. Further on, the final result that she will receive after solving this expression will be equal to 3 times the number she thought of. So the number she thought of is 3x. So that's how we have framed the linear equation, students, in one variable. So that's the linear equation in one variable. Now we have to solve this to get the value of x. And what is our x? X is the number which Amina thought of. So let's see how can we go about it. Now here we are solving the linear equation which we have framed for the given situation. See, this is the equation. Step by step we have to simplify it. In this step I have multiplied x to both the terms inside the bracket. You can see I have got 8x minus 40 by 2. In the third step, this 40 by 2 has been simplified. 40 by 2 has given me 20. Later on in the fourth step, I have transposed the numbers. 8x minus 3x is equal to positive 20. You better know how to transpose the numbers from one side to another side, and you better know how the change in sign takes place. Later on, 8x minus 3x has given me 5x equals to 20. Doing it, simplifying it continuously, I have got x equals to 4. This is the value of x, and that's what we were looking for. Amina thought of a number which was x, that is assumed by us. So the value of x is 4, which means the number Amina thought of is 4. So that's how we have solved the equation and we have got the missing number. So here the solution is done for first question. I hope you have understood it. Now the second question is, a positive number is 5 times another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. What are the numbers? Again, students, we have very interesting situation. There are two numbers this time, and the condition is a positive number is 5 times another number. It means that if one number is x, then the another number is 5 times the another number. If 21 is added to both the numbers, then one of the new numbers becomes twice the other new number. So we have to add 21 to both of these numbers, and then one of them will become twice the another new number. We have to find the missing two positive numbers. Let's see, students, how can we go about it? Here I have written everything. Please have a look at it. What I have done, I have written both the numbers. One number is x, I have assumed one number to be x, and another is 5x because the another number is 5 times the first number. According to the question, they are asking us to add 21 to both the numbers. So if I add 21 to both of them, my first number would become x plus 21 and the another number would become 5x plus 21. Now let's frame the linear equation in one variable. Here I have written the linear equation. You see that what I have written, 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 times x plus 21. Why have I written it like that? Students, in the question it is said that one of the new numbers formed becomes twice the other new number. Now they have not mentioned in the question which new number is going to be twice. So what we will do, naturally we have assumed two numbers x and 5x. So we know that this number 5x is going to be greater than the number x. Of course it is 5 times the previous number, right? So the new number which will be formed, the new numbers which will be formed out of them, this one which will be 5x plus 21 of course is going to be greater. So keeping that in mind, what I have done, I have written 5x plus 21 is equal to 2 times x plus 21, which is the first number I assumed, and this is going to be the second number. So that's how I have framed the equation. Now let's solve this equation to get the value of x, to get the two missing numbers. Now here I am solving the equation. You see that this is the equation. In the second step, I have multiplied this 2 to both the terms inside the bracket. What are the two terms inside the bracket? X and 21. So it has become 2x and 42. Now again I'll transpose the numbers the way we do. Finally, I'll get the value of x, which is x equals to 7. Now student, this is the value of x, and the first number we assumed was x only. So the first number is going to be 7. Now let's calculate the second number. Since first number is x, so the value of x is 7. We have got it. Now the another number we assumed was 5x. Now I have substituted the value of x and I have got 35 as the another number. So that's how we have got both the numbers, students. I hope you have understood both the questions. Please solve them in your copy and practice them. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so very much.